even with alignment between your individual and organizational values, there's still potential for conflict because sometimes people and even organizations don't behave in ways that reflect their values. To understand this better, we can break values down into two categories. Espoused values, these are the values that an individual and organization explicitly states. Your list of values developed earlier represents your espoused values, which are essentially the things you say you do. The values posted on an organization's website are its espoused values. Values in use, these are the actual values represented by your organization's actions and behaviors. In other words, these are the behaviors that people observe. Ideally, your espoused values and values in use should be the same. Unfortunately, there are times when behaviors don't align. For example, you can review your list of individual values and identify behaviors that don't reflect them. This misalignment also occurs at the organizational level. When there's a disconnect between espoused values and values in use, it leads to misalignment. When what is said to be done doesn't match what is actually done, it can create a perception of inauthenticity. Try that again. It can create a perception of inauthenticity and a lack of integrity. In organizations, this alignment can make people feel unsafe. To achieve alignment of values, consider these strategies. Ensure you know your individual values and those of your organization. Write them down and compare them to check for any obvious clashes. Make sure your actions align with your words. In other words, walk the walk if you talk the talk. Surround yourself with people who share your values. Ask those who you trust to hold you accountable, informing them that you want to know when your actions don't seem to reflect your values.